So I'll be the first to admit that I don't have a lot of fancy test equipment and um, a laboratory. Maybe I don't have a whole lot of world experience with electronics other than the 9 years that I spent in the Navy as an electronics technician. But I got this set up, have a uh, have this power supply set at 12 volts. I got the Kimball motor hooked up, and I got it running. I got it running through an ammeter, um, and right now it's drawing 50 milliamps. Right now it's drawing 50 milliamps, and it's running. But if I put my finger on the motor and start to stop it, start to stop the motor, you can see that the current goes up significantly. In fact, I'll turn it down to the 500 milliamp range, and I'll keep slowing the motor down and slowing the motor down and slowing the motor down, slowing the motor down, slowing it down until it almost stops. I didn't bring it to a full stop, but till it almost stops. And at that point it's drawing 500 milliamps. Now, how much current is the motor going to draw when it fully stops? I don't know. I don't want to take that chance. But it's obviously more than what Ohm's law says is going to happen with the 50 ohm motor.